Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, traders from across the globe. It's Sunday night. I'm watching the game, Sunday Night Football. Looks like a good game so far. Don't know what Mahomes is doing, but we'll see. And I wasn't planning on doing a video for you guys tonight. I thought tomorrow night I'd get out in front of the camera, but gold has exploded. Video 2,677 coming at you on a Sunday night for Trading Sunday through Monday. That is December 4th, 2023. Please remember that trading is risky. Trading of anything at all, any vehicle, anything at all is very risky. So please put your stops in and put them in first. What's going on in video 2,677 for Sunday night through Monday? Well, gold, as you know, we started issuing gold targets a long time ago when the gold hit the bottom of this channel. Coincidentally, it turned out to be the beginning of the war in Israel. We offered 3 targets. First one was 1945, and we were trading at around 1845. It runs up 100 points, hits target number 1. We issue a second target, boom, it runs up and hits target number 2 right to the exact number and then drops. We then, down here, issued target number 3, and look what has happened from here. All the way up, it just hit target number 3 this evening, Sunday evening. That, my friends, is out of control. Good analysis. I don't know who else can do that. However, that's not the point. The point is this. I'm showing you this video because I think we have reached a point of capitulation in the gold. Short term, at least. I think it's blown out through its stops. It's ran into long-term resistance. And I think if you were long, you probably want to get out for now and sidestep and see where we're going. I think we're looking at the possibility of short-term capitulation in gold. I wanted to get that out to you to make sure that you recognize that. But oh my, did we hit that target. I mean, is that not perfect? Traders, please subscribe to these videos so that you know each and every moment I put one out, you are aware of it. You will find out from YouTube. You'll get an email and a notification if you look down under this video right now and subscribe and alert yourselves. And then, of course, after you're done with that, make sure you keep your emotions out of trading. How do we do that? We put our stops in. We put them in first before we trade. And then we say this to ourselves when we're in trades because it stops us from hitting that keyboard. And you know what that is by now, right? 1, 2, 3. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Traders, I don't know this for 100% for sure, but I think we may have seen capitulation in gold. Please be careful up here. The third target has been achieved.